Hi there, welcome back. Well, I said I wouldn't make any videos in the holiday time, and this is day 2. I'm bored, so why not make a video? um, I have an old GoPro, the one I use for the outside footage. I don't use it very often anymore, but it's a good one. Had a lot of fun with it, and no need to replace it yet because a new one will cost me about 500 euros with all the accessories. More money, spending. So, but what I was thinking, what kind of footage can I make with this one on the Ford? So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do just a simple drive, mount the GoPro on some different positions, and let's have a look at what footage suits the best. And maybe we can learn something with the editing and stuff. And if it's a good video, then we'll post it online. And if it's not, we'll also post it online. It's holiday time. fun little drive. Just playing around, doing dumb things. Hope you liked it. Just a glimpse of what the footage we can make with the GoPro. For me, just a little practice of some angles. Nothing much, nothing special, but just fun to do. So, wow. Again, maybe until September the 4th. And if you get lucky and I get bored again, then see you next week. Thank you. Goodbye.